This is the light iron door balcony with rectangular platform ready for wood. What you can see here is the cutouts that we do. Nice designs, much better than cast iron, which is brittle. High quality balcony. We call it light iron door because the light belly that we have. And there you can see these members are for you to attach the wood to them with self-tapping screws. You can find this balcony on True Balconies at shop by category and use the selector to get virtually any size and any height and 3 depths, 24, 36 and 48. The light iron door balcony by the balcony company, Dec-Iron Balconies.